Happy Friday, traders, and welcome to a quick video. I like to do these quick videos, and I'm doing a lot more of these videos as we go along the way. It's not going to be super edited. It's just not going to go ahead and have all these flashy things, but it's going to give you the information you need to be able to make good trading decisions as you look at the markets. Now, what I want to bring up in this video is divergence. When traders look at the charts, they look at the charts, and they can't really identify trading opportunity. Specifically the pound JPY. The pound JPY was falling like a knife over the last couple of days, but in this day, from the start of the day, we saw a rally in the pound JPY. Now, how can you identify whether or not there's a trading opportunity? Well, firstly, number one, the first sign that we look for right here is divergence. If you notice that price has been moving lower, all right, price has been moving lower, but the oscillator has been moving upwards, which means that we're seeing that price and momentum are moving against each other. When that happens, I like to look for confirmation, and the most important time of the day to trade the pound is during the European trading session. So what I've gone ahead and done here, I've gone ahead and used my currency strength dashboard, and I've gone ahead and moved it to an 8-hour time frame, which means at 1 a.m. in the morning, there would be a sort of confirmation of what the pound is doing as it moves into the European session. And this signal had told me already that the pound JPY had gone ahead and changed directional bias from being bearish to bullish. You can see right here, we actually have a bullish signal. So it's telling me to be bullish. Now there's two go-to strategies I like to look at, but unfortunately when you look at divergence, you have to realize that this is a reversal. And if you're looking for indicators to change trend on a 1-hour time frame, you're probably going to miss the bus. So when you see these changing trends, and very quickly, specifically when it comes to divergence, you may want to go down and scale it down to a 5-minute time frame. Now, I'm not asking you to go ahead and scalp the market, even though it is a 5-minute, but what we're doing is we're looking for a signal to come in very early, so we can identify a trading opportunity before the market takes off and we missed the majority of the move. Now I'm going to go down and move it down to two top strategies. This strategy is called my FX Market Fusion. And if you look over here on the FX Market Fusion, you can notice that we had a signal right down here. It was way down here that confirmed we have a buy signal. That's the only buy signal that we have here. Now, if we take that entry and we move it up to where market price is trading right now, that gives us 145 pip opportunity. Look, tight stops, big profit potential. That is not only one strategy that we can look at, but look over here. If we go to another 5-minute time frame, using what I like to call is right trade max, and this signal came off right here. Take a look over here, very early in the session. This is 1 o'clock right here. So let's say after 1 o'clock, after we had got that confirmation here, take a look over here, we would have had a signal, all right, multiple signals in fact. Let me go ahead and mark it off right here. There was a signal right here to buy, there was a signal to buy there, there was a signal to buy there, we had another signal to buy here, we had another signal to buy there, oops, a little lower there, and so forth. Look at that, look at these signals right here. So we have multiple signals to get in on the trade, and if you started off from the beginning, you would have ended up making around about 125 pips. So a little later entry point, 125 pip opportunity on this strategy right here. So once again, traders, just to sum it up, when looking at divergence, specifically on a daily time frame, look to move down to a much lower time frame to look for that early turning point, because you want to catch the move very early as price starts going back up north. Now you can use filters like I did with the currency strength dashboard that gives me directional bias, confirms that we're having a change against the major counterparts. So we're seeing strength between the major counterparts switching and changing, and the momentum, and when the momentum changes, that gives us the opportunity to look for these strategies and look for early entry points using a 5-minute time frame. Hopefully that was helpful to you. Go ahead and smash the like button if the information was useful to you. And I look forward to seeing you on the other side.